Good afternoon friends, welcome to my channel Currency Pair Trading. In this video, I will tell you how to use Forex pair trading software. Most of my viewers are from other countries and unable to understand Hindi language. Due to their demand, I am making this tutorial video. Before starting, who are not joined this channel, just subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and like the video. Let's begin. For entry and exit, if you find buy or sell entry in the signal column, you have to check few conditions in your sheet. Number 1, the current price must be similar to your MT4 terminal. The reason behind that, the Google Finance data updates in 30 to 1 minutes, while MT4 updates in microsecond. Number 2, there should be open in trade column. Now I will tell you how to execute your orders. After matching both the condition, you will take entry. For example, if you find buy signal here, you have to buy this currency and immediately sell this currency within few seconds. Because it's hedging trade, if there is basket order available in your terminal, you can use this. This execution must be finished within 10 seconds. After entry, you will wait for either target or stop loss. For sell entry, you will sell first and buy later. Now I tell you how to exit. If you find hit in stop loss column, you will exit your position, and similarly, if you find exit oblique no trading zone in your trade column, exit your position. For target, you have to wait until you find target TG, it's mean target, in your signal column. What is alert? If you find alert in your pair, it means an entry is about to come shortly. What is average? After entry, if your trade goes negative and you find average in this pair, you have to average your position with same lot size. For example, if you enter with 0.01 lot size, you will average your position with same lot size 0.01 and wait till stop loss or target. What is WL? It means this pair will provide you a long entry shortly. And what is WS? This will provide sell entry shortly. What is exit oblique anti-Z? You will not enter in any pair if there is exit oblique anti-Z in your trade column. And it is also stop loss for your running trades. And what is the key of winning of this strategy? You will utilize only 10% of your capital, and if you find average in your sheet, again average with your position with 10% of capital, and you will wait for stop loss and target. These are positional trades, so you must have patience for this strategy. Friends, you will able to double your capital in few months. I hope you understood the uses of this software. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment box, and at the end of the video, who yet not subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and like the video. Thank you.